Alright, this is After Effects Apprentice Lesson 7 Comp 3, and in it we have a simple clock animation, and the only keyframe we have is this 360-degree rotation on the minute hand. And what they want us to do is they want us to tie both the hour hand and the second hand to that. So we will do that using an expression. So we'll highlight these two, and we will hit the letter R. And I'm going to hold down the Alt Option button. I'm going to click on this stopwatch. And we're going to take the pick whip, and we're going to drag it to the rotation of the minute hand. Hit Enter. And when we RAM preview it, we see that it's tied together. However, it's not behaving like an hour hand because it's only supposed to move 1 hour every time there's a full revolution. That is 1/12. So we'll go in, I'm going to click into this, and I'm going to hit divide by 12 and hit Enter. And now it's behaving properly. We'll do the same thing with the second hand, only there is 60 seconds in every minute. So when I hold the Alt Option down, I click on this to open the expression. I'm going to drag the pick whip to minute rotation, and I'm going to do times 60. Hit Enter, and now it is moving 60 times faster. For every minute it is making a full revolution. Okay, now we've got these two background layers here. We've got this alien atmosphere, this kind of bluish purplish one, and then we've got this ugly orange and green thing, and they want us to use a clock wipe to reveal that background. So we'll do that with something called a Radial Wipe, and I can't remember where it is, so I'm going to type in Radial, and there it is, and I'm going to drag that wipe right into Alien Atmosphere. And up here in Transition Completion, I'm going to show you, it is a clock wipe. Okay. So this is the part that we want to animate, so I'm going to hold down the Alt Option button, I'm going to click on that stopwatch to open up the expression, and I'm going to drag this pick whip to minute rotation like we have with our other options, but you'll see that the transition happens much quicker, and because the problem is that our rotation is from 0 to 360 degrees, and our transition completion is from 0 to 100%, and we want this to match. So we need to do a different type of interpolation. So this is what we'll do instead. I'm going to hold down the Alt Option button. I'm going to click on this stopwatch. I'm going to pick from this arrow Interpolation, and we're going to choose this formula here. Okay? And what this formula will do for us is we are going to tell it that 0 to 360 degrees should be the same as 0 and 100%. Okay? So Tmin is 0, Tmax is 360, value 1 is 0, value 2 is 100. So we'll go in here, and so 0 degrees, 360, 0%, 100%. And now we're going to select T, and we're going to use the pick whip, and we're going to tie it to rotation. And I'm going to hit Enter, and now it is working beautifully. Alright, one last thing. They want us to change the color of this alien atmosphere while it is being wiped out. So let's go into color correction, and they want us to use, what's the name of this? Color Balance HLS is what they want us to use, and we will drag that to Alien Atmosphere. And if we play with the Hue button, you'll see that we got a bunch of different colors. So we will hold the Alt Option button down, we'll click on Hue, and we want this to also happen the same time in a 360-degree fashion. So we will need to make our same formula, and we'll make it the same numbers, 0, 360, 0, 100, and we will tie the T with the pick whip to our rotation. Hit enter. And now what I want to do is change our color, and we'll do that by changing degrees. So we're going to cover this in parentheses, and then we're going to say like plus 100, and that changes the color, and so it's kind of this pinky rosy color, and by the time it rotates all around it becomes this kind of greenish color. So go ahead and render something that looks like that.